Hello YouTube, I will be doing this YouTube video on my bike. As you can see here, it is a red, as you can see in the shade, and silver. You can see it's got multi-purpose tyres in it. That right there is a little bit of dirt that I need to clean out. It's just like stuck in there. At the moment, it has like Shimano. Ooh, it's dusty in there. It has Shimano disc brakes. It doesn't Shimano XTR disc brakes, and it's got quite a nice disc brake in it. The frame itself is carbon fibre. It's got a few scratches in some places which I don't really like, because it's a scratch. It's got red wheels. It's right here. It is a 9 speed, and right there, right here it's a quick release wheel. It is a front suspension mountain bike with Shimano XTR shifters. It's got a, just like a I don't know what brand the handlebar is, but it's got Ritchie grips. That right there is for my, it's for my camera when I'm recording bike rides. It has Thjis XCR MG shocks. The front wheel is exactly the same disc brake, except it's got a computer in it. These are the pedals in it. They look quite nice. It's a 3 in the front, as most mountain bikes are. We named it the Thjis Lamborghini Ultima. So at first the problem with this bike was right here, I've got the name. It started squeaking, because it's the type of frame it is. Then it would have just snapped if I'd gone off the jump. The entire thing weighs, here, let me see how much it weighs, about, struggling to, about 11 pounds in total. So yeah, my other bike is that one. It is a Genesis Ground Force V2100 lightweight alloy, so it has like 30 pounds. It's a full suspension mountain bike with 7 in the back, 3 in the front. It's got mountain bike tyres on it. It has a front disc brake, and that's it. Right, I test my stuff. So if I'm doing the suspension, test it. I go up a hill that's down there, go down here, go up there, then go around, and I will name this bike. And if you want to see what the actual camera's like, then I will name it Bike Review of Garden, I guess. And that will be it for this video. Oh, by the way, it's a Velo. It's really comfy seat. And the frame in this, the frame is about $500-600. So if you're looking to start off, not a very good thing to buy if you're just starting off and don't really know what to buy. Let me save it now.